this is using, it's called alternating current. Tesla, everybody knows the Tesla car. Well, Tesla, the scientist, is the one who developed the alternating current. And that's what's used in here. Now what happens is a glass probe is put in, okay, and you can see the conductor is on the bottom, the metal against metal. Now in this tube is air. Once I flip the switch, the electricity takes the air out, and there is a neon or an argon gas that comes in here. Did you get the lights? You ready? Okay, so that's what you will see. So that is the gas that is in here, that the electricity took the air out and turned the gas, and it will, depending upon how high you go with your frequency, when it's high like that, it has more of a charge when it's, and you could lower it. Okay, you can turn this. This is an excellent bactericide. So in other words, after you do an extraction and there is an open skin, open pustule, blood, or anything like that, you're going to want to use this. If a client has oily skin, okay, and you just did a lot of work on their face, you're going to want to use this. So what we do, you can put like a shea oil on this skin, something like that, which shea is perfect for every skin type. And we have one here that has frankincense and myrrh in it, which has healing properties and are non-irritating. So that's something you want to put on the skin to bring down the irritation. You're going to take this. You are going to hold your finger. You have to ground it. So you're going to put your finger on it. Then you're going to put it on the client's skin, and you're going to take your finger off, and you will run it along the client's skin. When you go to remove this, you're going to put your finger back on, and you're going to take it off. Because if you don't, this is what happens. Okay? So, it's fine if that's what you want to do. Because we also use, now you could use this to do what I just did, or there's also this, which is
Like a spot,
right, a spot zapper. And what you would do with this is, if you just did an extraction and it was a little pussy and bloody and the pore is open, you're going to take this and you're going to zap that spot, okay? And it kind of cauterizes it too. It stops the blood from coming out, okay? So it stops the blood. It kind of seals it so no bacteria could get in, all right? So this is going to be your friend. Believe me, everybody loves this machine. Great machine. Part of this also now, we have what's, okay, not too many people use this, but it's fabulous, all right? So I give a special class with this. I teach you how to do, we start off with Ayurvedic hot oil scalp massage, all right? We start off with that. And then this part of it doesn't become Ayurvedic anymore because a machine is being used, but it has the same principle. So you're giving your client, now this could be an add-on for the client. Everything I'm telling you now is basics that you will be using, and there's no charge for. This is an add-on, all right? So you could be making extra money for this. Or you can have a separate just hot oil scalp massage treatment, all right? So what you do is you would put the hot oil on the client, you would give her a head massage. And when the hair is, right Jess? The hair is nice and oily, right? You're going to put your comb in, you put your high frequency on, you ground it, and then you're going to comb it.
You have it all the way up, real high.
Yeah, I do. Yeah. And then you're going to comb it through her hair. Now what this is, it stimulates the scalp, and it's supposed to be very good for hair growth. All right? So this is a fantastic,
It feels amazing after that. It really
yes,
does.
and that's right, and I did it, the last time I gave the demo, this could also be a little bit of an extra charge, maybe an extra $10, $15 on the ticket or whatever. So you have your client, and you could put on, like I said, a Palmarosa essential oil and put it in with maybe an olive oil, and you could put it on her skin. And this is a suction, it's a vacuum, and it's very good for fine lines, especially in here, and around the eyes. You can't suction under the eye, but you can suction the crow's feet around the eye. So what you would do with this is, where am I? You will put your finger on this, and then, can you see? So it's suctioning. See that?
That's awesome.
Okay, so you hold your finger and then you pull it up, and then, now what you would be doing, because the oil would be on the skin, so of course it becomes an easier, you know, I don't have anything on my skin right now. And what it does is drawing the blood to the surface, and it's plumping the skin. So this is a great treatment for someone who's, let's say they're going out, they're going to a wedding, they have something special. So if they come in on a, let's say, I mean, it doesn't last very long, but it's something that they may want to it's like an add-on. And it could be used for anybody. I mean, you know, I know you young girls don't have really problems like that. But, you know, if you see something like you want to just plump up and you want something to look a little fresher looking, yes. So that basically covers your electrodes and your high frequency machine, all right?